vintage garden retreat is more than just an outdoor space, it's a sanctuary that transports you to a bygone era, filled with elegance, romance, and tranquility. The beauty of vintage-inspired gardens lies in their ability to blend history with nature, creating an inviting atmosphere that feels both nostalgic and comforting. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small backyard, incorporating vintage elements like wrought iron furniture, distressed wooden accents, and delicate floral patterns can instantly transform your space into a timeless haven. The key is to balance aged aesthetics with modern functionality, ensuring your outdoor retreat is not only beautiful, but also practical for everyday use. One of the most effective ways to achieve a vintage garden look is through carefully selected furniture and planters. Opt for weathered benches, cast iron chairs, or wooden rocking chairs to create an old-world ambience. These pieces don't need to be brand new. In fact, the more worn and distressed they appear, the more authentic the vintage charm. Complement them with rustic planters made from repurposed items such as galvanized metal buckets, wooden crates, or ceramic pots with a crackled glaze finish. Layering these elements with lush greenery, cascading ivy, or fragrant flowers like roses and lavender will further enhance the romantic and nostalgic feel of your garden retreat. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your vintage garden retreat. Soft, warm lighting creates a cozy and enchanting ambience, perfect for relaxing evenings outdoors. Consider using string lights with Edison bulbs, antique lanterns, or candlelit sconces to achieve that dreamy, old-fashioned glow. For a touch of whimsy, repurpose vintage chandeliers or mason jars into unique light fixtures, hanging them from tree branches or pergolas. These subtle yet striking details add depth and warmth to your outdoor space, making it feel inviting and intimate, no matter the time of day. Personalization is key to making your vintage garden retreat truly special. DIY decor projects allow you to add character and charm without breaking the bank. Upcycle old window frames into rustic garden mirrors. Use vintage teacups as delicate flower pots, or transform an old wooden ladder into a charming vertical garden. Other creative touches include repurposed picture frames as plant holders, lace tablecloths for a shabby chic aesthetic, and weathered signs with nostalgic quotes or botanical illustrations. These handmade details infuse your outdoor space with warmth and personality, turning it into a unique retreat that reflects your style and appreciation for the past. While aesthetics are important, a vintage garden retreat should also be a place where you can truly unwind and enjoy nature. Incorporate plush cushions with floral prints, cozy blankets for chilly evenings, and a charming bistro set for morning coffee or afternoon tea. A small fountain or bird bath can add a soothing element, bringing gentle sounds of trickling water and the sight of birds stopping by for a drink. If space allows, set up a hammock or a vintage-style swing for the ultimate relaxation spot. By combining beauty, comfort, and practicality, you create a garden retreat that not only looks stunning, but also provides a peaceful escape from the demands of modern life. VNBN McNa Vintage-inspired backyard is a perfect way to embrace nostalgia while enjoying the serenity of nature. With thoughtful design, repurposed decor, and personal touches, you can transform any outdoor space into a stunning retreat that exudes timeless charm. So, gather your favorite vintage finds, let your creativity flow, and watch your backyard become a magical oasis filled with warmth, elegance, and enchanting beauty.